Hello guys, this is me, your Unknone Hart, back again with another video. In this video, we are going to test Dart Girl. We are testing Dart Girl rat. Oh boy, it is lifting up my mood. Yeah, I don't know which language is this, but this rat. Oh boy, if you are hacking someone, why do you need such a photo, man? I don't understand why. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh man. Rather than in your agenda, you're gonna focus on your the partner beside you, man. You'll forget your victim. You'll forget your agenda. You'll forget your mission. You'll focus on only on her, and then how your mission will be successful, man. I don't know which language is this, but I was impressed by these looks, so I wanted to show you all guys this one. Boy, you'll forget your agenda by looking her, man. So don't keep this kind of photo in rats. We are hacking some companies, you are hacking your friends, and if you see this kind of videos, man, oh boy, how you will be successful, man. Don't keep this kind of photos, okay?